There you go. Don't be close up. What if he flies?
Okay, ready? Does he bite?
No, he just stinks.
On my
It's
blanket.
a stink bug.
On my blanket. Oh. What was that? I don't know what was in here.
Another bug that decomposed.
Ew.
Get that fucker
Ready?
in
Oh.
there. Ew.
Wait, what if I don't get it?
Is he in there? He's right there. He's crawling away.
No.
Yuck.
Okay. I got him. How are we gonna get him on the thing?